In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services in Squarespace. To get started, open your products dashboard inside Squarespace. This is where you manage the items you want to sell on your site. Once you are there, click Add Product. Squarespace will then ask what type of product you want to create. From the available options, choose Service. This is the correct setting when you want to sell a package, consultation, design work, coaching session, or any other service-based offer. After that, enter the title of your service. Make sure the title is clear and specific so visitors immediately understand what you are offering. Then add the service details. This is where you explain what the customer will receive, what is included, and any important information they should know before purchasing. You should also upload high-quality mock-up images. Even though you are selling a service and not a physical product, strong visuals can make the page feel more professional and help customers better understand the offer. Next, move to the pricing settings. Here you can set your regular price for the service. If you want to promote the offer at a discount, turn on the On Sale option. This allows you to display a sale price, which can help make the offer more appealing and encourage more conversions. Now go to the Selling Tools section and click Create New Form. This is a very useful feature because it lets you build a custom intake questionnaire for your service. You can use this form to collect the information you need from customers before starting the work. For example, you can ask for project details, preferences, goals, or any other information that helps you deliver the service more efficiently. After the form is set up, review the stock settings. You can limit the number of service packages available if you only want to take on a certain number of clients at a time. If you do not want to cap availability, simply leave the setting on Unlimited. This gives you flexibility based on your workload and business model. Once everything looks good, click Publish. That will make your service package live on your store page so customers can start viewing and purchasing it. That covers everything you need to know.